What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a 20 F350 Super Duty trimmer and a little goodie bag from Limitless Autoworks. Make sure to stay tuned in this video and see if you would like your mirror spotlights to do this: on and off, key off, in your pocket, anytime you want, any speed. Check this out and get yours to do that too. Alright, welcome back. So this 20 is going to want the exact same thing that I got. You guys can reach out to Rich, my boy down in PA. He is selling these harnesses already pre-made, 65 shipped to anywhere you want, all OE connectors to have your vehicle work those mirror spotlights at any time, any speed, key off, in your pocket. For those that want to install this harness, let's familiarize yourself with the underside of the dash. This module right here is the mirror spot module. Right here is the heated steering wheel control module, so don't get confused. You want to look for the green connector, and there is a button on top of said green connector. Oh, let me differentiate which one I'm pulling on. There's a green button right here on top of this green connector that you push to pull that out. Now, you can see this connector looks pretty identical to this one, okay? Same thing. However, to plug this green one into the other side of his gray one, we could not locate the gray shell with this locating tab on this side. So the modification that you have to do, it's really no big deal. Get yourself a nice sharp pair of cutters and totally trim that off so that it's not hanging over, and I'm going to show you what I used. Alright, back to that modification that I'm showing you guys. It's really not that big of a deal, and it's not going to say you didn't want the modification anymore. This is still going to plug into where it came from without this locating tab. So thank you, Rich, appreciate that. And these cutters are nice and sharp. Okay, just go ahead and get all that off and trim this side right here, just like that, so that you have no more locating tab. And then get the jumper that Rich sent you, and you're merely going to plug that in just like that. So now you have the jumper harness on with the stock harness plugged in, and you guys can see what that's going to look like. So once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and plug this green connector back in the hole that it came out of. And now I have not put the keys in the ignition. Exactly right away, we are going to be able to turn on our mirror spotlights anytime we want, key off, in our pocket, any speed. I think it's very valuable for those of you who need to use this light but left your keys in the house. Maybe going down your trail to go to your cabin, and by golly, it shuts off at 5 miles an hour, and a little extra light off to the side of the truck may be what you guys need. I thought this was something that a lot of people with Super Duties might want to do. I did it to my own, and I know Rich has been selling the crap out of these just because it's so simple, and you're utilizing a light that isn't normally used because You can't use it all the time. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. If anybody's reached out to Rich Everett over at Limitless to get their mirror spot harness modification jumper, and send me some pictures and let me know how you guys like it. Remember to like, comment, sub, share, and I'll see you guys all next time.